Hello students, we will revise the chapter Reflection of Light. In it, we will revise reflection of light, laws of reflection of light, image formation by a plane mirror. Do you know how do we see the object in the world? Look at the video and observe. In this video, what did you observe? We observed that with the help of light, we can see the object in the world. We will be able to see the object when light falls on any object. After striking the object, it reaches into our eyes. Image formed on retina. Before the discussion of image on retina, we will discuss reflection of light. When a light rays travels in a medium, after striking the object, its come back into the same medium is called reflection of light. Medium may be air, water, glass, etc. Now we will discuss laws of reflection of light. First, laws of reflection: incident ray, reflected ray and normal are all lie on the same plane. A line is drawn perpendicular to the surface of the object is called normal. Front view is called plane. In it we can draw only x-axis, y-axis but not z-axis. Now we will discuss the second laws of reflection. In this video, if we change the incident angle of light rays, then reflected angle will also change but in equal amount, like this. If light incident normally, then it reflected back normally. Thus we can say that angle I is equal to angle R. Reflection of light is of two types. First is regular reflection, irregular reflection. Regular reflection takes place on smooth surface like polished table, glass, that is plane mirror, whose one surface is reflecting, another surface is highly polished. In regular reflection, parallel incident ray remains parallel after reflection. Irregular reflection takes place on the rough and hard surface or not polished surface. Irregular reflection, light does not remain parallel after reflection. Although both regular and irregular reflection obeys the laws of reflection of light. Now we will discuss the image formation by a plane mirror. Before it, we will discuss virtual image and real image formation. If image of an object formed by reflecting surface can be obtained on the screen, this image will be real image of an object. If image of an object does not obtain on screen, it will be a virtual image. Image of an object formed by a plane mirror cannot be obtained on screen, thus image will be virtual. Your left hand will be right hand in plane mirror, thus laterally inverted image formed by a plane mirror. Size of image remain equal to the size of object in plane mirror. If we move the object towards the mirror, image also move towards the mirror. If we move away from the mirror, image will also move away from the mirror. Thus, distance of image from the mirror remains equal to the distance of object from the mirror. Image is formed behind the mirror in plane mirror. Thanks.